Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can find empty servers in Roblox Blox Fruits. So let's get started. First, open the Roblox website and search for Blox Fruits under the Experiences section. Once you find it, open the game page. Now go to the Servers tab. You'll notice that a private server costs around 200 Robux. But don't worry, we're going to find an almost empty public server for free. Scroll down until you see the section that displays other public servers. Here, first make sure to exclude full servers so they don't show up. Next, sort the servers by ascending player count. This will arrange the servers so the ones with the least number of players appear at the top. Now you'll see servers with only a few players. Simply join any of these. If the few players inside leave later, you'll basically have the server to yourself. That's it. This is the easiest way to get almost empty servers in Blox Fruits without buying a private server. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.